Whether you call them shrimp or prawns, these skewers are perfect for summer grilling. Well, actually for any time of the year if you ask me. First thing you're going to do is prepare the marinade, and it is fresh parsley, or you can use any other herb, lemon zest, garlic, lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and we're going to add a little bit of honey, which sort of gets nicely caramelized when the shrimp cook. Toss it all together, and you can leave the shrimp to marinate overnight, or you can do this just 15 minutes before grilling. Skewer the shrimp. I like to do about 5 per skewer, and you can set it aside for later, or we can start grilling. Shrimp doesn't take very long to cook, so you only need about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, maybe even quicker depending on your barbecue. Drizzle with the olive oil, lemon juice, and you're ready to serve. Perfect little shrimp on the barbie.